just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Oh man, guys, what is going on today? The Creator here, back with another video.
So you can't get out that way?
No, you can't get out that way. I am with my buddy Blake. This pretty awesome Terminator. I'm gonna let you explain what's going on with the Terminator and why it's
okay. So this is
pretty crazy.
This is my dad's car. It's a screaming yellow 04 Cobra. It has a 3.0 Whipple, 85.
Whipple.
3.0 Whipple, that's right.
3.0 Whipple.
But dyno says like 800, but we have no idea.
800. Hold on. Wait a minute. You didn't tell me it was this much.
That's what the butt dyno says, but
close to it.
Close to it. That's usually what these builds usually pick around.
We're about to see how 800 or around 800 feels. First of all, it sounds amazing. What kind of exhaust you have on it?
He put a it's Longtubes, and then it's I think an offroad X pipe, and then Borla stingers.
Borla sounds amazing on any Mustang.
I'm pretty sure these this exhaust system went from like $500 to like $800 or something in the past like few months. It's, in my opinion, it's one of the best sounding exhaust systems for these cars. And it is an SRA swap car, so it does have an SRA exhaust on it. Solid rear axle, because like these came with the IRS and everything.
Just about to do a quick pull. We just pulled up in Mexico. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, hell no!
Wait a minute. Oh my God. Yep. Fastest car I've been in.
Really?
Most likely, yep. Just the, whew, or at least the craziest car I've been in.
She moves.
Whoa. Whoa. Yo, I can't even explain how I feel.
A lot of people know my channel for my 2-valve, which had the Torque Tech kit, the Eaton on it.
We put some clips up here for that too, so.
Yeah, and then people would ask me why I thought it was so slick. I thought the car just like, it wasn't very fast to me. And it's like, well, when you get in this thing, it's like this thing moves. So
so yeah, this thing is insanely crazy. You guys gotta check out his channel, all right? I'm gonna put his channel right there. You wanna go ahead and say what your channel is as well?
Yeah, I mean, I just kind of film what we're working on. You know, I have a 2-valve, which isn't gonna last too much longer, but I'm getting myself a Cobra soon. And then we obviously have my dad's Cobra here, and you know, we kind of just work on them. Soon we're going to be taking the engine out of this, putting a new engine in it, higher compression, hopefully making more power. You know, hopefully soon we want to dyno it, and it's just, we kind of just film what's going on, you know, with our projects. On my channel, I get people that say that car doesn't look that fast on video, but like, you let them know, does it feel fast?
Guys, like I said, fastest car I've been in, and I've been in a lot of fast cars, but yeah, nothing like this.
Like I said, my car would made like 460-ish horsepower, I'm gonna say. and it weighed like 3,500 pounds, and it felt like a dog after riding in this thing, because this thing is just nasty.
Well, how you think I'm gonna feel going back in my car? Like, come on now. It's a stock Mach 1, like, really? But yeah, this is just, duh. But yeah, check out his channel. Link down below. If you don't check out the link, it's right here.
Also, I'd like to mention, if you don't mind, we did polish it, like I'm sure you're going to show them under the engine bay.
Yeah.
Not the cleanest right now. We didn't really clean it because we weren't actually going to bring the car to Daytona today. But we do have another channel. It's called Awesome Finish. It's our, because we have a business where we polish metal, and we film stuff. Like we filmed polishing this blower. So if you guys want to see the process of that, if you want to put a link to that or something, the video to that.
Everything is going to be all in the description. Make sure you check these guys out. If you need anything polished or a powder coat or anything like that, I'm pretty sure they got you. Right here in, you said St. Augustine?
Yeah.
Okay, so right here in Florida. Make sure you check them out. But we're going to sit here and get a few more shots of Mustangs at Daytona. And yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Definitely nice.
Fun process building the car, and we'd like to show it off because we've gone through a little bit of trouble getting it to run right and everything. But you know, I think she moves out and runs good.
Look at my competitor.
We got Patrick over here. He's like, man, when do I get to ride in it?
But all right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. All right.